So the first thing I've been thinking before I shed any light on any situation is the World's Lover Fair, and I want to project that. So I'm in a lot of production and research and development progressively. Let's not make this long. I meant to probably do something a couple days ago, but I'm only putting this up, if I put this up, as an introduction for hopefully a finished project. And I don't really understand what angle I want to try, so I'm going to be looking into a couple of different apps and methods of ways of how I want to present myself. I may just do it completely on a whole new channel, a whole new platform. That's from there I'll move on, clean slate from whatever progress I have in the future. So I feel like I have previous thoughts that are not manifested, or what I want to say, even realized to it, whether or not I want to produce them as a physical form. So that's what I'm using right now, because I don't know anything. I don't portray to know more than what I need to know, and therefore, from that aspect, I want to take my time while explaining the shortest book ever with the longest story. Hope that makes sense. And back to 7. Plus, let me see. I don't know if I need to put these on the ground, how they stepped on, but so be it. How much is that? 50 cents. 25 more plus the 16 is retarded. That's how I know I made mistakes. I don't count that way, honestly. So I'm gonna take out the nickel and the 2 pennies. That's 7 cents. Chole. 50 cents. Chole. I got another nickel. So, and 2 cents plus my 2 nickels. And with my 2 nickels, at least I have 1, 2, 3 dimes and 2 quarters. Let's do this with me, since I don't want to portray to be thinking ahead of myself, and I really don't like to slow myself down to this pace naturally. I just felt the need to do so. 2, 12, 42, because that's plus 30 plus 50 equal 92. I hope I shed some light on my project and how I manage to make the shortest story with the shortest book the longest story. And at the same time, I want to make the longest story the shortest book. So at the same time, in 2 different more ways, I want to tell the shortest story in the longest book. I want to tell the longest book. I want to produce the longest book and the shortest story. So, Long story short, what's the index finger for? That's my point.